So nice to take a little anecdote there. But if we get back to business here, so here's the data. It's already pre-sorted based on what Amazon says is the most important. And although I don't know which specific product, it's pretty easy for me to know that this keyword is for this product in particular. And so I put it into the title. I was able to do a bunch of really cool stuff. This is why I call the search query performance the ICAP marketing funnel, and it stands for ICAP: impressions, clicks, add to carts, and purchases. This particular keyword that we're looking at right now is one of my biggest use cases to show and study, because I was able to do keyword research and then immediately implement it and gain market share. So the ICAP marketing funnel leads to gaining market share. This is part of our SEO phase 4 that we do at My Amazon Guy. And check out the data right here. I started with 2.75% impressions when I first did this in the first week of data, and within 7 weeks, I went to 7.5% of impressions. That basically is triple the data for the amount of market share that I'm getting seen by the consumer. The clicks went from under 8% to 20%, which means not only did I increase the eyeballs, but I almost tripled the amount of people who clicked onto my product specifically, which is insane if you think about it. I mean, this is a gigantic number. 1 out of 5 people on a keyword that Cerebro says is 62,000. It's not 62,000, but pretty close, within 50,000. And that's pretty awesome, because you're able to look at the analytics here and be told what's the most important. Now, during week 27, the volume has gone down, but during week 13, if we go back to that, and here's another example of how you can track your keyword research success rates. It was at 2,900 search volume, and here's the original data set from 2.75% on the impression brand share. By week 20, we're going to apply that, and you can see Sage Candles for Cleansing House. Now I'm at 7.52%, and the clicks at just 1 percentage click off of that 20% right there. And that's pretty awesome to see that data in real time and be able to go from what I did to more than 1 out of 5 people purchasing my product after clicking on it, right? So if you extrapolate down the list here, now we've got add to carts, then we have the purchases right there, and that's why I call it the ICAP marketing funnel: impressions, clicks, add to carts, and purchases. So after you do your keyword research, you're going to want to track it. You can track it in both the keyword tracker inside of Helium 10 right here, and then you can see here Sage Candles for Cleansing House. We're tracking that as well as the trend line. So I'm in rank 20 right now, or ranked 2017 to 21 week to week here, or day to day. And I'm trying to defend that turf because it's such an important keyword for my brand. So important that Amazon puts it at #1 as the most important thing that I need to focus and work on, because of the market share opportunity, and track it over time. So it's a really, really cool and powerful tool. It's free. It's part of Amazon Seller Central Search Query Performance Report, part of Brand Analytics. It is in beta, and it is an incredibly powerful tool.